Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this boxing machine. As you can see, there's 6 separate pads that you can hit. The light flashes around each one when it's time to hit that. You can play with music. You can play with just different kind of sounds that it has. It's really awesome. It comes with these 2 gloves included, and it also comes with the materials to mount it. I simply just use that to mount it and put the strips right back there so I can easily move it around, take it off to charge whenever I need to. Comes with the instruction manual, USB-C cable, and also comes with a second method of mounting with this adhesive pad here, so you can just stick this whole thing on the back for a more permanent kind of mounting solution. So this is just a look at the Bluetooth speaker mode, so you can play any song you like. And basically the blue rings light up around each spot and it tells you where to hit it. So as you can see, this is what it sounds like when you aren't on the music mode. You can turn down the volume by holding this down. Turn it up by holding this down. You can set the speed on here to what you want. And it tells you how many times that you have hit the targets. So that's pretty cool. Overall, I highly recommend this boxing machine if you want to get your boxing skills up or just get some good exercise. Thanks for watching.